Hi everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick here, and it is day 6 of my 31-day series of how to organize your yarn. So all of these ideas are either creative, they're either pretty, they're either practical. Some of them are just downright brilliant, but these are all ideas that I have found on my favorite place, Pinterest. So day 6 is a cool idea. So this idea uses those cardboard magazine holders. They're like cases so you can store your magazines right side up and you know, on a bookshelf, nice and neat. So it uses those, but instead of putting magazines in it, you put your yarn scraps in it. And I think this is a great idea. For anybody like me who loves to make scrap blankets, you know we save every single little bit of leftover yarn that we have, and eventually we turn it into a magic ball, and eventually it goes into a scrap blanket. So I think this is a really great way to store them, and also it's pretty to look at. I really like looking at it. I could look at it all day. What do you think of this idea? Is this something you've ever tried or would try in the future? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you tomorrow for another great idea. Bye-bye.